Hey, I'm Rob, and this is the Course Creators Toolbox. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the clip speed for your video. So we're going to start by dragging down a video clip to the timeline, and I'm just going to go through it to see what's part of that clip. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the spot where I want to section the clip, so where I want it to speed up. So I found my spot. I'm going to use the razor tool to cut it. So now I have two clips, and I'm just going to go to the end where I want it to speed back up. So I'm going to go across my timeline here, and I'm going to look for a spot where I pull into the parking lot, and I'm going to again use the razor to cut that clip. So now on my timeline I have three clips. I have a beginning, I have a middle clip, and an end clip. That middle clip, I'm going to go over to visual effects, drag down the clip speed, and drop it on that middle clip. Now there's a couple ways to change the clip speed. One way is to change the actual speed itself. So say I want it to go 200 times faster or 25% faster. So I'd type like 125 or 1.25. The other way you can do that is you can take and set that clip's duration. So this is good if you have a video already and you need to fit it in a certain spot. The other way you can do this is by right-clicking on the clip and going to add clip speed. So now that we've done that, we can go back to our timeline. We're going to press play, see what it looks like going from one speed to the next speed. You may want to do a few steps where you go ramp up from, say, regular speed to 4 times to 8 times to 10 times in a couple of smaller clips. But again, this video is just to show you how you apply the clip speed to a single video. Now I've grabbed the end clip and I've brought it to the end of my sped up clip, and now I can watch that video, how it transitions from the sped up clip to the clip that is running at regular speed. So I've just jumped a little bit closer here so we're not having to watch all that video. And again, you can see as we go from the sped up clip to the slowdown clip, there's a little bit of a jarring. So you may want to again take a couple of clips and slowly reduce the speed. In Adobe Premiere, this is done through ramping up and ramping down the speed. Camtasia doesn't have that built-in feature where it'll automate that, but you can simulate it by creating multiple clips at multiple speeds. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the beginning, and we are going to export our file. So I'm just going to export it as a local file. So I go through and I choose the resolution that I want it to come out as, and I'm going to go next, and I'm going to give it a file name, and I'm going to store it on my Y drive. And then once that's done, I'm going to go down and hit finish, and it's going to start up the rendering. Now I've actually enhanced this clip, enhanced the speed of it so that you could see how I'm using it in this video to tell a bit of a story. I still want you to watch the rendering process, but it would take too long. The video would be like 50 minutes long by the time it finished rendering. So this is how you would want to use clip speed to enhance your story. So now that that's done rendering, I'm going to hit finish. It's going to open it up in my favorite media app, and I'm going to be able to watch the finished product. And again, you should always be checking your finished video before you upload it to your favorite platform. So I'm just going to jump ahead here, and we can watch that again, that transition. Too far. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna go pull into the parking lot, and you're gonna see how that slowed down and went back to just regular speed. Hopefully you got something out of the video. If you like this type of content, please like the video, comment below, and if you want to know more about online courses and how we create videos for our online courses, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.